I know you about to scroll. I know you about to scroll. Just wait a second. Just look, man. Look. All I'm asking for is just a like. Just like this motherfucker. Just like the video. That's all I'm saying. I'm not even saying follow, but like follow anyway though.
What up, K Gang? We're back with another freaking, I don't know what is it, but this video, you see guys, we're still working. We're still working and we're trying to get this hatch done. Unfortunately, the seats never got recovered. Soon I will get them done, but since I'm trying to get the car done for you guys, who's ready for some pools? Alright, first of all, drop a like down right now. Do me a favor right now. Yeah? Hit that icon right there. Go over, hit that like button. Do me that favor. It shows us that you're supporting us. You know what I'm saying? And you love what we're doing. So today, I always had these seats in my car for like, I think a good 4 or 5 years now. I bought them for one of my buddies up in Atlantic City. He actually brought them down to me when I was looking for them, and he was like, say no more, yo, I got them for you. I'm gonna bring them down to you. Say no more. I was like, bet. Came the same day. So these S2000 sit in my car perfect. The only problem that I have with them that I never got around to putting this. So what you got to do with these EK seats, the original EKs. Okay, this is what? This is the passenger side seat. So passenger side, rear, back. Basically on the passenger side, farther to the right, and the back one. You have to cut it off. And what you got to do is weld that guy right there. Check it out. Basically, I'm gonna cut this one off and weld that one in the spot. That's all you got to do to get them to fit A1. But you still can fit them with 3 bolts. But you know, since the older I got, the more, how can I say this? More picky I get.
Pickierness.
Okay? Yeah.
Not a word.
So these seats, I'm gonna get them refurbished. So when I give them to him, I'm gonna make sure there's no rust on there, none of that kind of stuff, because you know my #1 enemy is rust. So I'm gonna get this old one on there, grind it all up, so I can weld on it. Get this one, clean it all up, so I can weld on there also. I just got rid of the old seats. I had them back there, dang, for so long, just because I wanted to keep these. And wow, oh, somebody's there, some crazy people. Take that jaw off my business. I'm acting like I'm crazy. Run over there. You think I should do that? Nah. I'll come back, guys, when they're gone. All right, guys. I got a little carried away. You know, them people didn't want to leave. Anyway, come on here. All right, guys. So you see, I got the seat in there, right? See that third bolt back there lines up perfect. Always in there. The front ones, they line up perfect. Now you see what I do here. Well, I tell you about, you need to take the bracket off. And see, right here and right here, I need to weld this bracket within those spots right there, so she can fit in there nice and flush. So after that, same thing, same process for both sides. After I get this done, I'm gonna paint the rails all up, grind them down first, then paint them. See if we can clean these seats up really good. I'm gonna look for some good conditioner for the seats, and we go from there. Well, guys, we got it welded. I'm gonna hit it up with the grinder so I can paint it. Am I awesome or am I awesome? Am I awesome? Look at this one first. Maybe let me turn this thing down. This thing is on super mode or something. Where that seat coming out right there now, huh? Perfect. This whole time I didn't do that. That's crazy. It's kind of mean, right? What do you think, Peanut? Should have been did that a long time ago. So she's nice and secured there. Check out the finished thing. I gotta paint it though. I am taking the seat back out. We're gonna paint the rail and all that. Basically, I gotta repeat the process for the other side. So, yeah. Buddy of mine gave me a little trick. He said, use a carpet spray on it. I'm like, oh, that's why? He's like, because it's foaming. I said, okay. Let's see how it comes out. So, I had nothing to clean this up. So I went to the dollar store real quick. Hopefully it works out. Let's see how it goes. Freaking Peanut squirted it right in my face. Well, I see a little difference already. A little difference. We'll be back when it's nice and clean. So we'll see the difference before I hit the conditioner. Well guys, we haven't even put the conditioner in yet. Thanks to Jamie, thank you bro. You're a lifesaver. Look at the before. The after. That's not even hitting it with conditioner. So should I do it now? Start hitting it with the conditioner? I need the dry rack. Just this one. He said, don't be scared to put a lot on there. All right, I got you. I understand. Make sure you tell me to shake it up real good. Guys, we're back. You tell me. Did it bring it back? I think it's good enough. Definitely brought it back. Now, to do the other one, guys. I'll see you in the back in a few minutes. Just as much as you guys, I hate using that grinder, but a good job done quick. And I'm just scared one of these days. I've seen a lot of TikToks when those, it could maybe be fake or maybe not be fake, but I don't want to be one of those TikTokers. Open it up and hit it with the grinder right there. Call it a day. Peanut, you don't want to get this on camera. Alright. Long day cutting, welding, and other seats in already. It looks nice and clean. It's really good. I'm gonna spray it, I'm gonna hit it one more time. He told me to hit it one more time when it's dry. So I'm gonna hit it one more time when it's dried, and tomorrow, Peanut, we can hit the junkyards. We need this side panel, the pillars. We're gonna see if we can find all the plastics, man, some plastics that we need, because I don't want to hear this noise. Look, you know, clips are broken in these things. You know, I don't want to be hearing all that. So, let's finally close this door. Thank you. Let's put the last door in. Let's call it a day. Oh man, thank God my day is gonna be done. Guys, too much work in one day. Too much. Peanut, we accomplished a lot today. And appreciate you helping me, Peanut. Well guys, we're gonna end the video right here. Make sure you like this video. Go ahead, man, do us a favor. Support the K gang. And we love you. See you in the next one. Peace.